In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed on any Xbox console. All Xbox consoles will support wireless keyboard and mouse, but keep in mind that you will not be able to use them over Bluetooth, so you will only be able to connect them with the included wireless dongle. To do this, plug the wireless dongle into the Xbox, so you will be able to plug this USB wireless dongle into any suitable USB port on your Xbox console, regardless of the model. Once this is done, make sure that the slider at the bottom of the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed is set to 2.4 GHz. This will allow you to connect to the dongle, and of course, check to see if there is a AA battery included. As long as it has sufficient battery and you set it to 2.4 GHz at the bottom, you will be able to use it wirelessly on your Xbox console. So as soon as you power on the mouse, you will be able to see a cursor appear and you can use it inside of games, you can use it to browse the dashboard, and so on. As long as you are in close proximity of the dongle, it is going to be entirely usable. Like I mentioned before, you cannot use it over Bluetooth. This is because Bluetooth devices are unsupported by the Xbox console. This is going to be true for any mouse, keyboard, or even audio devices that you have. So connect it with the included dongle by plugging it into any suitable USB power source, and as soon as this is done, it is essentially plug and play. You just have to make sure that it has sufficient battery and it's set to 2.4 GHz. This will work for any Xbox model, so old gen Xbox One and newer gen Xbox Series S or X. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.